Hi everyone, my name is JoJo and today I'm going to be serving you this look right here. I don't really know what to call it, it's just very simple. Anyways, if you want to see how I did this, please keep watching. Okay guys, okay y'all, so I'm super excited. We're gonna get started on the makeup tutorial. So let's get into it guys. Y'all, boys and girls know that the most important part of the day and of your face when you're going to apply makeup is applying a primer on. So I'm going to be using my favorite Bare Minerals Prime Time. They're so silky and smooth and it just covers all of your pores. After we apply the primer, we're gonna go ahead and for a more natural look, I am going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I love this pencil because it creates... Wait a second. Oh my god, no! Oh, it's right here. Ha ha. It tricked me. I thought I had no more product left. The thing I love about these pencils is that it's very precise and it creates hair-like strokes, which is what I really like. It's way different from the Anastasia pomade. So I'm just going to go ahead and create the illusion that I have brows. Keep filling that in until we achieve our desired look. So after I've created this like outline for my brows, I'm going to continue and apply Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. Just like this color right here. I'm going to be using a MAC 263 brush to apply this on my brows. Woo! Alright, so I finished my brows. So my next step is I'm going to go ahead and apply a clear brow gel to keep my brows in place. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Isn't it so cute? So mini. Just like that. We are going to move on. I'm going to cover all of my dark spots on my face with Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand. Making sure I have covered all of those dark circles and darkness. So there you go, a concealed face. So we're gonna move on to foundation, and today I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Matte Foundation in 310. Yes, squirt that on the back of my hand. Like we always say, don't forget the neck. If you guys are going for like a really simple look, you can skip this step, but I honestly want to bake, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake. I'm going to be using Ulta's Cream Contour Kit and using the shades Medium Contour and Yellow Highlight. Just dip into both of those and then applying that under my eyes. I usually like to make this part, like my cheekbones, a little lighter because that's where I'm going to place my highlight later. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and bake. Bake, y'all. And I'm just doing a patting motion. I'm going to do that to the other eye. Oh, I went over my brow. Now that we finished the under eyes baking, we are going to go on to contouring. I'm just going to slightly just bronze my face with the Ulta Beauty Contour Kit, but this is the powder version. I'm going to dip into the Warmth Bronzer right here with the Radiance Highlighter. I'm going to brush that under my cheeks like so. Create that dimension. And you guys, I love this contour palette because it's so affordable. I got it on sale for $9 from Ulta. So if you guys are trying to find an affordable contour kit / highlight kit, then I suggest the Ulta Beauty one. Don't forget to put that on your neck as well. I'm going to contour my nose. I like to use the NYX Wonder Sticks, and I am a shade Deep. I'm gonna use a flat shader brush from IT Cosmetics. Looks like this.
Live in action. Oh my gosh. Let me get some popcorn. Hold on. Get some chips.
So I'm just gonna blend that contour out.
You love me.
Okay.
That's all you have to say?
Mm-hmm. Blend, blend, blend.
You forgot you love me too?
I love you too. Okay. Alright. It's getting hot in here.
Take off all these clothes.
My pits are sweating. So now that we finished that, we're gonna go ahead and add some glitter to our eye. And I'm just gonna simply use my ring finger and apply that around my eyes. And then working into the inner corner. I like to put a little bit more glitter where the light hits, so then it looks a little bit dewy. I'm gonna do that to the other side. And then for the more difficult parts of the face that is hard to reach, I'm going to use the Morphe E36 brush. And then apply that to my nose. So using a Mikasa F100 brush, I'm going to take off that baking powder under my eyes. And then I'm going to use the Morphe M501 brush and dip into that highlighter. Apply that to the high points of my cheek. Look at that. This highlighter is great because you can pack as much highlighter as you want and have it not look like it's too cakey on your face. I'm going to be using Cocoa Lashes in Venus. Excuse me. My favorite part is just putting on lashes because it puts the whole look together. So there you go. We applied on the lashes, and the last thing to do for this look is to add a lippy. For this look, I'm going to stay neutral, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss Lipstick in Starfish. I feel like this lip is not nude enough. Okay, so, and then there you go. This simple glam look.
I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and my heart got me walking side to side. I'm talking to you, see you standing over there with your body, feeling like I wanna rock with your body, and we don't gotta think about nothing. I'm coming at you, cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter cause you give me temptation, and we don't gotta think about nothing. These friends keep talking way too much, say I should give you up, can't hear them no cause I've been here all day, and my heart got me walking side to side.